Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a super easy and delicious Caldillo Verde de res y frijoles. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. We're going to begin by making our sauce. To our blender cup, we're going to add 2 hatch peppers. Everything's going to be raw, along with a handful of cilantro, 10 tomatillos, chiles serranos or jalapenos, depending on how spicy you want it, then it depends on how many you're going to add. I'm adding 4, along with a 1/4 of an onion, 3 garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon, and we're going to be blending with 3 cups of water. Now blend until smooth. Okay, so once we have that, we can take it to the stove. To our pot over medium-high heat, we're going to cook 1 pound of bacon. Once our bacon is nice and crispy, we're going to remove it from the pot and also remove most of the bacon grease. Okay, so only leave enough so we can fry 5 yellow jalapenos, half an onion, and 2 hatch peppers. Just going to be sauteing for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add 2.5 pounds of ground beef. Begin to break it down. And we're going to season with salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, ground cumin, and oregano. Just continue to break it down and mix it all together. Okay, just allow your meat to cook for about another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the grease from your meat. Okay, now add the sauce. Add a little bit more water to the blender cup. We're also going to add 3 cups of frijoles de la olla. Mix it together and bring it to a simmer. Once it cuts to a simmer, add 2 bay leaves. Taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. For me, this is perfect. So now we're just going to reduce the heat to medium-low and allow it to continue simmering for another 10 minutes. Okay, after 10 minutes, our delicious caldillo is done. So now we can get ready to serve. Okay guys, so once we have our caldillo, I'm going to top it with some lime juice, some cilantro, of course our bacon. I also like to add some radish, some purple onion, and some green onion. And of course, some avocado. And just like that, we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make, so flavorful, and best part, it's budget friendly. If you don't know what else to make with your ground beef and beans, then this recipe is honestly perfect. It's so flavorful, it's honestly the best. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. I am so ready. Let me tell you that it smells delicious. All I'm missing is a tortilla, but this right here, it's honestly everything. Like I said, so flavorful. The combination of the bacon with the sauce, it's the best. A recipe you definitely need to try. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a super easy and delicious Caldillo Verde. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you like this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.